Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and it's Mask Monday, y'all. So I got started because I have a lot to talk to y'all about today. This is the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask in the green apple. It has a green tint to it, and I'm a little festive because I'm going to talk to y'all. This doesn't fit in camera. I'm going to talk to y'all about my Christmas treasure hunt. My Christmas treasure hunt involves my videos from the Advent calendars. So I have a video every single day. Day 1, December 1st, all the way to day 25, December 25th, Christmas Day. There's 25 videos that I'm asking you to watch. They're 5 minutes or less, most likely, and they may or may not have an item in them that will be in the treasure hunt. If there is one, I'll tell you and you'll know. If there is not one, then there is not one. There are not 25 items necessarily. There may be by the time we're done. Some of my other videos will have bonus items in them. I did try to explain the giveaway on Friday night, in my Friday night gab from December 2nd. And there is a bonus item in that video. So if you'd like to see what that bonus item is, go back and watch my Friday night gab. And what you're going to do, if you'd like to be involved in this treasure hunt giveaway that is a lot of work, you will take a piece of paper, keep it handy, and write December 1 to 25 and have a bonus section maybe, and you're going to say each day what the item is. There are days that don't have an item, so those will be blank. What you're going to do after December 25th, after that video comes out, all my videos will come out at noon Central Time every day. So after noon Central Time on Christmas Day, after you watch that video, please send me an email or a DM on Instagram telling me what the items are. And if you are correct, you will be entered in the giveaway. So let me clarify a few things. I need your list of items by midnight December 28th, which is Wednesday. So you have the 25th, the 26th, the 27th, and the 28th to send me your list of items. That'll give you time to watch because I know Christmas Day is very busy. I understand that. So I'm not asking you to skip your festivities so that you can get in on this giveaway. No. Have fun with your family, and then on your spare time, if you have any, watch the videos and find out what the items are. So, like I said, not every day. There won't be an item every day. But if there's an item, for example, I do have an item in the Friday Night Gab. So if you know what that item is, that's a bonus item. I have a bonus item for today. I'll show you that in a moment. You don't need to know the bonus items. You just need to know the items from day 1 to day 25 from the Advent calendars videos, from the Advent calendar videos. Write them down. So you'll say like day 7, there was such and such. Day 2, there was such and such. You can say day 1, there's nothing, if there's nothing on that day, but you don't have to tell me the nothing days. You just have to tell me the days that have an item in them. And if you don't have to be specific about the item. Like if you don't hear me say the product brand, don't worry about it. Just give an example. So I have a bonus item for today. Okay. So you'll say in your message to me the items from December 1st to December 25th Advent calendar videos. And then if you'd like to win the bonus items, you can list those as well. And you can do that by saying the date. So today is December 5th, and I'm going to show you a bonus item. This is the bonus item. So you can call it what you want to. It's called TYNT Skin, Tint Skin. You can spell it TINT, I don't care. It's Tint Skin. It's called Reveal, and it is a gel mask. It is a mask that you put on and you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and you rub it in or you wash it off, whichever you'd like. This I got in either Boxycharm or Ipsy, I don't remember, but this is what it looks like. It's very pretty, very pretty. So however you can identify that, that'll make me understand that you knew this is a gel mask. And it's a bonus for today, December 5th. So what I need from you to enter the giveaway are the items from day 1 to day 25 from the Advent Calendar giveaways. And if you watch other videos and see a bonus, then tell me what the bonus is. Tell me what video it's from, and you can say the date of the video, or you can say if it's my Boxycharm video, you can say, or you don't really even have to, just tell me the bonus items and you'll win the bonus items. I don't know how many bonus items there'll be. If you only know one bonus item, you can win that bonus item if you are chosen as the winner. To be entered into the Christmas treasure hunt giveaway, you have to know every item that is in the treasure hunt. So, like I said, if you don't know how to spell TYNT skin, that's okay. Say gel mask, okay? You don't have to be, you just have to let me know that you know what you're talking about. And list them according to the days. So you'll say day 1, day 2, day 3. Like I said, if there isn't anything that day, you don't have to write it down. So say there's a product on day 3, and a product on day 7, and a product on day 11, like that. That's all I need is a list of those items. I don't know how many there's going to be right now. Maybe when I'm done, I'll tell you. I don't know, because I'm still working on that as I go. As I go, I'm working on it. So I'm making a nice box for you, whoever is the winner. And if you'd like to win the bonus items, then you write them down. If you don't want the bonus items, don't write them down. If you don't get a chance to watch any other videos and you miss out on the bonus items, you still will be, if you get the items correct, you'll still be entered in the Christmas treasure hunt. The bonus items are just that, they're bonuses. So I hope this makes sense. I've had a few people ask me some questions. You have to be publicly subscribed to me for this one. You have to have a continental United States address for me to send this. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to send it somewhere in the US, the continental United States. These are all products that I have bought from boxes or received in PR. This has nothing to do with YouTube. It has nothing to do with the products. If you have an allergic reaction to anything, I'm not responsible for that. All the rules are listed in every video below. Please read please read that. This ends after the last video, which is December 25th. That's the last time that you'll see any items that will be involved in this giveaway. It actually ends Wednesday, December 28th at midnight Central Time. I must have your list by then. My email is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, just like my title here, at yahoo.com. And my Instagram is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, same as my title here, okay? So that's how it works. I hope that everybody understands. It is a little complicated because I really want somebody to win this that is a loyal subscriber, somebody that watches my videos. You know, the comment picker picks a lot of people, a lot of the same people all the time, and that's really just fine with me as long as you are a subscriber. But this is going to be a little bit different. I can't use the comment picker for this. So you have to have the items correct to get your name in the bucket. And then if I pull your name and you win, and you have listed the bonus items from one bonus item to as many as there are, you'll win those as well. Okay? If you don't mention the bonus items, you won't win the bonus items. And that's okay too. You don't have to know the bonus items to win the Christmas treasure hunt. Okay? To get your name in the bucket. And like I said, maybe on December 25th, if I remember, I may tell you exactly how many items there are so that you can make sure your list is correct. I don't know. I'm being very sneaky with this one. So I hope that you enjoy it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. You can ask me any questions you want, and I will do my best to answer all your questions, okay? So y'all have a great Mask Monday. I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself. This mask is wonderful. You see how it stayed on. This part bothers just because I'm talking. It's just the way it is. I never got to use this, but I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that you're enjoying the holidays. It's very busy around my area with Christmas going on, with all the holiday stuff going on. So I hope that you're enjoying it. And thank you for stopping by and count your blessings. Do something to take care of yourself and go see everybody else for Mask Monday, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.